Hi students, I'm Sonia from Vidya Guru, starting a new session on English vocabulary. If you like the session, please press the like button for sure, share the video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Vidya Guru's YouTube channel. Press the bell icon as well so that you can get the notifications of all the exam relevant videos which we upload. You'll be enhancing your vocabulary. As you can make out, I'll be teaching you 5 new words today. Apart from that, I'll be explaining the words with sentences also so that you can learn them contextually. This session is in English medium, primarily for our South Indian students, primarily for our Northeast students. If you're not comfortable with the language, students, you can switch to the Hindi medium session that is there in the playlist as we upload the session in Hindi medium as well. I'll start with the first word. The first word is denude. Let's learn the word denude today and look at the options first. Don't actually try that, listening my words basically. At the start, you have to find out the answer. I'll appreciate that because by writing in the comment section, you'll be telling me the words you already knew. Denude is strip, create, fool or entice. Entice means to attract or to lure someone. That is entice. Entice means to attract, to lure someone, to tempt someone, that is entice. Alright, let's actually talk about the options in detail now. Denude means to strip off, to strip something off, its covering, to strip something off its possessions or assets, that is denude. Let's actually understand with the sentence. When I say overnight the island was denuded off, that means stripped off its dense forest cover. The forest cover was there on the island, but it was actually denuded off, stripped off. That means the forest cover is no more there, It was stripped off. It was actually removed from there. It was divested off. So divest, strip, clear, deprive, bereave, these can be the similar words for the word denude. So out of these options, the answer came out to be strip. Let's move to the other word. Friable. If you read the options first and you're able to answer that, I'll be happier. Alright, I was saying that friable. Friable is crumbly, bitter, sneaky or modest. Friable is crumbly. Crumbly, that means something which gets easily crumbled. Something which is powdery, something which is dusty, something which is soft. That is friable. I'll explain that. Soil is friable. Black soils are usually friable. Black soils are usually friable and conducive to agriculture. Conducive means supportive, helpful, favorable. That is conducive. That means what is good for agriculture? Black soil, which is friable, which is crumbly, which is powdery, is conducive to agriculture. So understand the word conducive, that is helpful. I said that. Helpful or supportive or favorable. And apart from that, I told you the meaning of the sentence that black soils are usually friable. That means they are powdery and beneficial for agriculture. So out of these options, the answer is crumbly. Let's move to the other word. The other word is lenitive. Lenitive, if you look at the options, expensive, soothing, terrible or funny. Probably you'll be able to understand. I'll explain that. Alleviating pain. Not elevating, I was saying alleviating pain. That means something which we are actually bringing down, that is alleviating. Alleviate, that means to lessen something. Alleviate, which is the word with A-L-L-E-V-I-A-T-I-N-G, that is alleviating. Alleviating means to lessen the impact. So alleviating pain, alleviating harshness, that means we are making something soothing. If you are reducing pain, if you are reducing harshness, that means you are making something soothing. Out of these options, the lenitive means soothing. If you look at the option, the answer came out to be soothing. The sentence says the compound can be used as a lenitive medicine and also a fever reducer. The compound does two actions. The compound performs two actions. The compound can act as a lenitive medicine, that means a soothing medicine for you, and the compound can reduce your fever as well. So that's the use of this compound. I'm saying lenitive means soothing. Let's move to the other word. And the word is specious and not spacious. Read the word carefully and learn the spellings also. The word is specious. I was saying specious means superficially plausible. Plausible, when I say plausible, plausible means possible. Plausible means possible, which can be done, something appropriate, something alright sort of plausible. Superficially plausible, something possible, something right, but actually wrong. Something seems correct, something seems to be correct, but that is not. That is specious. Misleading is the right word to be used for specious. Specious is misleading, something deceptive, something false, something fake, something fallacious, something unsound. That is specious. When I use it in a sentence, I can say that Nancy always has a specious story. Nancy always has a specious story on why her homework wasn't done. Kids generally do that. If they actually don't accomplish the task which is given, if they haven't completed their homework, they start making false stories, specious stories. And Nancy always has a specious story. That means she has false story. Let's move to the other word. The answer I forgot to actually tell you the answer. The answer was delusory. Delusory was the answer out of these options, because that also means something misleading, which is actually diverting you. The next word is balderdash. The last word is balderdash. If you look at the options, the answer will be nonsense. Balderdash means nonsense, something which does not make sense, something senseless. So senseless talk, senseless writing, so that sort of nonsense thing, that sort of rubbish or that sort of gibberish or claptrap is balderdash. I'll repeat the words. The similar words which I used was claptrap, gibberish, rubbish, nonsense. That is balderdash. The people refer to the old man's crazy ideas as balderdash. The old man's crazy ideas were actually referred to as balderdash by the people. People probably, people actually thought of this old man's ideas that they do not make any sense. They are senseless. So the old man's crazy ideas were considered balderdash. So we'll keep uploading such videos. Keep watching, keep studying. Thank you.